You've been through the decision-making process and the buying process. Your safety shower has been installed within 20 meters or 10 seconds reach of the hazard, is easily identifiable and free from obstructions. So what next? Do all employees know where to find this safety equipment? And do they know how to use it in the event of an emergency? European and international standards outline recommended performance requirements for industrial safety showers, which includes a focus on ensuring personnel who may be exposed to hazardous materials are instructed on the safe and proper use of the emergency safety equipment and advised of its location. In the event of an emergency, a casualty may be disorientated. The initial moments following a chemical splash are crucial to minimize injury. They must be well versed in exactly how the shower operates, as there can often be multiple ways to do this, which differ from one safety shower to another. Emergency safety showers from Hughes have a number of activation methods dependent upon the model. Pull handle, push down lever, foot treadle, walk on foot panel, push activated panic bar, pull down lid, lift lid, push plate, lock on actuating button, pull down manifold. Please refer to the installation, operation, and maintenance manual attached to your product for more information specific to the model or models purchased. These can also be found on our website product pages within the download section.